Hey, welcome to John's Guitar Lab. Today, notes on the low E string. Low E string, this guy. High E string, we know. Low E string, okay. This one, what's interesting about it also is that there's a ton of ledger lines involved here. And I know we've gone through this on the A string, which, again, you know how I get a little spastic here. How did you guys make out on some of those other tunes? Please let me know. If there so far it doesn't appear to be there were too many situations or anything that I could help you with. But I know you might be still working on it. So questions, please. Anyway, moving on along to the E string. For those that have the Mail Bay book, we're on page 20. All right, E, open. No fingers. We already know that. This is what it looks like. Again, I'm going to say it like a broken record. Here's your E line, alphabet going backwards. D space, C line, B space, A line, G space, F line, E space. Okay? That's what it looks like. F. All right? On the guitar. First finger, first fret. Sixth string, low string. Okay? Because that's when you say first finger, first fret, that's exactly the same thing as the high E. But this is the low string. First finger, first fret. Please place close to the fret. Right? And again, remember what I was saying about this. Once we start getting to the bass strings, which we're there now, and have been actually, all right, that's where the hand position is going to help you out, unless you have, paws instead of hands. Okay, so F, that's what it looks like on music. All right, I could do the countdown again. All right, E, space D, C, B, A, G, line through F. Okay? That's what it looks like. Next one, G. Can you see it there? Am I in the way here? Okay. Alright, G, third finger, third fret. Okay, and it's again on the low E string. Alright, this is what it looks like. By now, I'm hoping you could do the countdown yourself, but just in case. Alright, E line, D, C, B, A line, space. All right? So there we are. Now you have some exercises there for the whole notes, half notes, and quarter notes. This should be at this point now, I could play a little bit, but I want to see what you come out with. Most importantly, and I'm going to say this, when you turn your metronome on, you have it set at 50 or whatever, give yourself the 4 count to start. Make sure that you use the syllable in between because we want it to swing. All right, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And that's all. You got to work it out yourself. All right. On the next page, on Mel Bay 21, page 21, I'll be going over the note that you see there called the A note. All right, just a very, very quick thing. It's with the pinky here, but more importantly, at this particular point, I want you to look down where you have notes of the guitar in the first position. First position meaning that we're here. We're from the first fret. Okay, that's first position. All right, and you see that it indicates all the notes, has the letter names on the above, it has notation, and below it has the your fingering. Or maybe I said that backwards. On the top it has the frets. On the top of the staff, it has the frets. All right, in the staff, it has the notation. And below that is where you have the letter names. But I'm really hoping that we already know the letter names and that we can, you know, figure the letter names out instead of just looking at that letter and say, hey man, like I know what that is. So if it's not there, I know what's happening. Anyway, that's it for the E string. Questions as usual, you know, your comments below. Appreciate thumbs up. Please subscribe. All right. And a thank you goes out to everyone that has been supporting me. I really, really appreciate it, because the more people that get involved in this, it's more people playing the guitar, and that can only be a better thing for the world. You know, not to get political, but you know, the guitar is it's a good instrument. All right.